How to apply an effect to all instances of a clip in Timeline in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added 4 clips to my timeline, and as you can see, the first, second, and fourth clips are some cuts from one single clip. Here my goal is to apply an effect to all the instances of a clip at once. In the Effects panel, search for Lumetri Color, and add it to the first clip. Select the first clip and change the effect's properties however you like. Now I want to apply the gradings that I just created to other instances of this cake clip. One way is to select the color graded clip and press Ctrl C, then select other clips. Right-click on one of them and click Paste Attributes. Make sure the effect you want, in my case Lumetri Color Effect, is selected, and click OK. Now all instances of this cake clip are color graded. But instead of doing this, we can use master or source clips, which is the best way of applying an effect to all instances of a clip at once. Select the Lumetri color and press Ctrl C to copy it, then click on the Source tab. Press Ctrl V to paste the effect. Now the Lumetri color is applied to all instances of that clip in Timeline, and we can tell this by the small red line in the clip layer. Instead of copying an effect into the Source tab, we can just drag the effect from Effects panel and drop it here. And it doesn't need to be a color correction effect like Lumetri color, it can be any effect like Gaussian blur too. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.